Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 8th. So students, we are discussing with our grammar topic, that is determiners. Till now we have discussed some of the determiners. We have seen their different kinds of uses. We have seen so many examples also, and yes, we have discussed sentence structure, or we can say different kinds of sentence structures in previous videos, and in today's video also we will continue with the same topic. In this video again we will see some of the determiners and their different uses. So now let's begin our today's video that is based on this topic, that is determiners. So now students, we are having some new determiners here with us. So first of all, have a look. First of all, let's read. So here we are having few, a few and the few. So yes, now we will discuss these three determiners. So here you can notice one thing, that few, it is common in these three determiners. The first one is only few, in second we are having a few, and in the third determiner we are having the few. So these are three determiners, and yes, we are having different uses that are related with these three determiners. So how we have to use and what meaning they give to the noun, or we can say they give to the sentence, that we will talk about. So first of all, let's see that to when and how we have to use these three words. So here we are having that these three determiners, they are used for countable nouns and plural nouns. So students, till now I am very much sure that you all are clear, you all are having a lot of clarity regarding all these terms, that what is countable noun, what is uncountable noun, what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Because again and again I am repeating this thing, that determiners, yes, they are used for the nouns, and they are used according to this thing, that the noun, that is a singular or plural, that is a countable or uncountable noun. So be very careful, because yes, we have to recognize the category, that from what category the noun actually is having the relation, and then we have to use the appropriate determiner. So here we are having that few, a few and the few. These three words, or we can say these three determiners, they are used for, first of all, countable noun. It means the noun, it should be countable, and second condition is that the noun, it should be plural. Clear? So now we will discuss these three determiners one by one. So first of all, we are having few. So one thing is clear, that these three determiners, they are having this thing common, that all these three, they are used for countable and plural. Then what is the difference? So now we will talk about the difference, and for that we will discuss these three determiners separately one by one. So first of all, here we are having our first determiner, that is few. Clear? So few, it is also used for countable and plural noun. And how? So let's see. Few means not many, and it is used in negative sense. So it means that when we are using few in a sentence, so it gives a negative meaning to that word, or we can say negative meaning to that sentence. So what it actually means? So for that we are having some examples here. So let's read. Few questions were asked at the meeting. So here in this sentence we are having few. We all know that question, it's one of the noun, and question, yes, it is countable noun, and here we are having plural form of this noun. So here we are having plural and countable noun. So when we are using few here, so with the help of few, we are saying that in the meeting few question were asked. It means कि जो question थे वो इतने कम पूछे गए थे कि we can say that it was in the negative form. So we can say that few, it is one of the negative word, and it gives the negative meaning to the sentence. So here in the sentence we are trying to say that जो meeting we are talking about here, so उस meeting में ना के बराबर question पूछे गए थे, इतने कम पूछे गए थे, that we can say कि बिल्कुल भी नहीं पूछे गए थे. So one thing is clear here, that few, it is a one of the negative word, and when we are using this word in a sentence, so yes, we can give negative meaning to the sentence. We are having some more examples. So let's read. I have few friends in this strange city. So here in this sentence again we are having few, we are having friends, that is also countable and plural noun. So here we are saying that I have few friends in this strange city. So we are using such things in our sentence, strange city. So it is also very much clear that we are calling this city as a very strange city, and एंड द रीज़न इज़ कि इस सिटी में आई हैव फ्यू फ्रेंड्स, इट मीन्स जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं वो बिल्कुल ना के बराबर है, दे आर हैविंग अ नेगेटिव सेंस. क्लियर? Next is there is a total strike in the city, few shops are open. So when somewhere there is a total strike, so in the first sentence one thing is clear that in the city there is a total strike. अब जब वहाँ पे total strike है so obviously जो shops हैं वो सब बंद होंगी, तो ऐसे में जो open shops होंगी वो कैसी होंगी? Only few, it means ना के बराबर. All right, so again first of all students, one important thing about these three words, that few, a few, the few, these three words, so we can say these three determiners, they are used for countable and plural noun. Now first of all we are talking about few. So few, it is a negative word, right? And when we are using few, so it means we are trying to indicate, we are trying to show that you know these things, so maybe they are shops, friends or questions, so whatever noun is there, so वो क्वांटिटी में इतना कम है कि हम कह सकते हैं कि वो एक नेगेटिव फॉर्म में है, राइट? एंड हाउ? सो फॉर दैट वी हैव डिस्कस सम एग्जांपल्स ऑलरेडी हियर. सो आई होप दैट फ्यू, दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. यस? Moving ahead, now we are having a few. So what is the difference between few and a few? So that we are having here. So when we are using a few in a sentence, so it means that we are having a small number, and yes, it is having a positive sense, and because of that we can say that now the sentence, it will be having a positive meaning. Clear? So yes, few, it is a negative word, it gives a negative sense, and when we are using a few, so we can say that it is a positive word and it gives a positive meaning. Okay, so now we are having some of the examples that are related with a few. So let's see. Although class is over, there are yet a few students in the class. So here we are saying that although the class is over, but अभी भी class में a few students हैं. It means yes, कम है, लेकिन still we can say that कुछ students class में अभी भी बैठे हुए हैं. So वो जो number है वो है तो बहुत कम, right? लेकिन वो negative sense में नहीं है. Class over हो चुकी है, बट अभी भी क्लास में वी कैन सी दैट 5-6 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि अभी भी क्लास में बैठे हुए हैं. सो यस, जो नंबर है स्टूडेंट्स का, दैट इज इन पॉजिटिव वे, एंड दिस इज द रीजन वी आर यूजिंग अ फ्यू हियर इन द सेंटेंस. Okay, one more example. I have a few books of English grammar, so you may take one of them. So here first of all look at here that we are offering our books to someone. So how can we offer, or we can say when we will offer, जब हमारे पास books होंगी तभी तो हम किसी दूसरे को offer कर पाएंगे. So because we are offering our books to others, it means that yes, we are having some books, right? हमारे पास चाहे कम है but still कुछ book है हमारे पास. This is the reason that we are offering our books to some other persons. Okay, and this is the reason that we are having positive sense in the sentence, we are having a positive meaning in the sentence. This is the reason that here we are using a few, that is a positive word that gives a positive sense to the sentence. Clear? Now next here we are having the few. So this is the third determiner in this category, in which we are having few, then a few, and now we are having the few. So now let's see what is the use of the few. So when we are using the few in a sentence, so it means we are talking about the total number, or we can say we are talking about totality. So yes, when we are using the few, तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जितना भी था, so वो सारा का सारा, it means here we are talking about the totality. How? Let's see the examples. The few rupees he had were spent. So here we are saying that the few rupees he had, it means कि उसके पास जितने भी rupees थे, it means हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि कम थे, ज़्यादा थे, कम थे, लेकिन the few का मतलब है जितने भी थे. So total money that he was having, so entire money it was spent. Clear? So with the help of the few, here we are trying to indicate the total amount, or we can say the total money, and this is the reason the few, it shows the totality. One more example, I have read the few books of Shakespeare which I have. So here in this sentence also we are trying to indicate the total number. Here also we are trying to indicate the totality, and we are saying Shakespeare, we all know it's a very famous writer, very famous author. So Shakespeare की लिखी हुई जितनी भी बुक्स मेरे पास थी, राइट. सो आई हैव रेड द फ्यू बुक्स. इट मीन्स दैट आई हैव रेड ऑल द बुक्स दैट आई वाज हैविंग written by Shakespeare. Okay, so again this thing is clear that with the help of the few, again we are trying to show the totality, again we are trying to show the total number of the books. Okay. One more example, the few students who were in the class could not understand the lecture. So again here we are trying to indicate the total number of the student. So here we are trying to show that class में जितने भी students बैठे थे, so all the students, they were unable to understand the lecture. So again with the help of the few, what we are trying to show, we are trying to show, you know, that the total number of the students, or we can say the totality of the students. Alright, so again I am summarizing these three determiners. They are very important, and you know जो difference है वो बहुत ही छोटा सा difference है. So you have to understand very carefully. So first of all, few, it is a negative word and it gives a negative meaning to the sentence. It means जो वो noun है, you know, वो number में बहुत कम है, इतना कम है कि हम कह सकते हैं कि वो ना के बराबर है, and this is the reason it gives the negative meaning. Clear? Second, we are having a few. So a few, it is a positive word and it gives a positive sense to the sentence, to the noun. And yes, still जो number है वो कम है, but we can say that it is in the positive sense. कम है but still कुछ ना कुछ तो है, right? Next we are having the few. So the few, with the help of the few, we can show the totality, we can show the total number. So the entire noun जो है हमारे पास वो total में जितना है, so then we are talking about the totality when we are using the few. Clear? So we are having some example. So let's write some more example to clear these three determiner one more time, right? Let's take some examples to clear this thing. So first of all, I am writing here, I have blank friends, so I feel very lonely. So students, here we are having I have friends, so I feel very lonely. So when a person will feel very lonely, जब उसके पास कोई company नहीं होगी. So here we are having this sentence, so I feel very lonely. Because of this sentence, we are getting one idea here that I have few friends. It means friends जो है वो इतने कम हैं that we can say that they are in a negative sense, right? And this is the reason that I feel very lonely. So here, because of second part of the sentence, we are having the idea that here we are talking about friends as a negative number, right? So जो friends है वो number में बहुत ही कम है, they are having a negative sense, and this is the reason here we are using few, that is a negative word. Clear? Now let's take one more example. Now we are having I have, again blank. Let's take the same noun, that is friends, to play with. So now in this sentence I am writing I have friends to play with. It means that yes, I have some friends and I play with my friends. Okay, so yes, friends हैं, maybe they are, you know, small in number, but still some friends are there. So yes, here we are talking about friends as a positive term. Here we are talking about friends in a positive sense. So this is the reason now we have to use a few, that is a positive word. So now in this sentence, in this blank, a few, it will be the correct answer, it will be the correct option. So students, look at the difference very carefully because आपको difference समझ में आना चाहिए, आपको अलग अलग sentence structure समझ में आना चाहिए, ये difference clearly आपको आना चाहिए कि हमें कब few use करना है, कब हमें a few use करना है. So in this sentence we are having the negative sense. We are saying that I feel very lonely because actually I have no friends. So for that negative sense we have to write few here. Here we are saying that yes, I have some friends and I play with my friends. So it means we are trying to say that I have some friends. It means friends हैं. So they are the positive and this is the reason to show the positive number we are using a few. Right, now let's take one more sentence of the few. So let's take the same noun, that is friends. So we are writing here, starting we are having one blank, friends. I have came to my birthday party. Birthday party, and yes, full stop. So here we are saying that friends I have came to my birthday party. It means मेरे जितने भी friends हैं, right? तो सारे के सारे friends they came to my birthday party, and this is the reason here we are trying to show the totality. Here we are trying to show the total number of the friends, and this is the reason now our answer will be the few. So students, here we are having three different kinds of sentence. We are having same subject here, or we can say same noun here, friends, and in this sentence also we are having friends, but we are having few, a few and the few. Why? Because of the meaning of the sentence. So just learn this thing that whenever we are trying to give negative sense, then we have to use few. Whenever we are trying to give positive sense, then we have to use a few. And whenever we are trying to indicate the total number, whenever we are talking about the totality, then we have to use the few. And one thing is common here, that is that all these three words, they will be there according to countable and plural nouns. Alright, so this is about few, a few and the few. Moving on, now we are having three more determiners. So now we will talk about little, a little and the little. So just like few, a few and the few, now we are having little, a little and the little. So now let's see, let's try to understand the difference. First of all, let's see that where these three words they are used. So yes, they are used before uncountable nouns. So this is the major difference that is there between few, a few, the few and little, a little, the little. So in the first category we have discussed that few, a few and the few, they are used for countable noun, and these three determiners, little, a little and the little, they are used for uncountable noun. Clear? And again, first of all we will talk about little. So here we are having that little, it is used to show not much, or we can say it is used to show negative quantity of something, just like few. So yes, few, it is also a negative word, little, it is also a negative word. Both the words are used to show that something is very little, something is very few, or we can say it is used to show the negative sense. But what is the difference? Few, it is used for countable nouns, and little, it is used for uncountable nouns. Yes, let's take the example. The first example is, he hasn't attended even a single class. There is little hope of his success. So here first of all we are trying to clear this thing that he hasn't attended even a single class. So अगर किसी student ने एक भी class attend नहीं की है throughout the year, throughout the session, then definitely उसके पास होने की, उसके सक्सेस होने के जो चांसेस हैं, जो होप है, वो कैसी होगी? वो लिटिल होगी, वो नेगेटिव होगी, राइट? एंड होप वी ऑल नो इट्स अ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, एंड फॉर दैट हियर वी हैव टू यूज लिटिल बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव अ नेगेटिव मीनिंग टू द सेंटेंस बिकॉज ही हैजंट अटेंड इवन अ सिंगल क्लास. So definitely the chances, or we can say the hope of his success, it is in a negative sense. Clear? Let's take some more examples. Suresh is seriously injured, so there is little hope of his recovery. So again, first of all, we are clearing this thing that Suresh, he is very seriously injured. So when someone is seriously injured, it means उसकी जो recovery की hope है वो obviously कैसी होगी, वो little होगी, वो बहुत कम होगी, वो negative sense में होगी. And this is the reason here we are using little, that is a negative word. Next, one more example. The river is completely dried up. There is little water in it. So when some river is completely dried up, अगर कोई river को हम ये कह रहे हैं कि वो river जो वो completely dry हो चुकी है, so obviously उसके अंदर जो water है वो कैसा होगा, वो little होगा, वो इतना कम होगा that we can say कि वो बिल्कुल उसमें पानी नहीं है. So again we are trying to give negative sense to the meaning. Again we are trying to show negativity, and this is the reason we are using little, that is one of the negative word. So yes, little and few, these two words are having one connection, that few and little, both the words they are used to show negative sense. They are both used to give the negative meaning to the sentence. And what is the difference between these two words? The difference is, again I am repeating, few it is used for countable nouns and little it is used for uncountable nouns. Alright. Moving on, next we are having a little. So let's see, a little, it is used to show a small quantity, and we can say that it gives a positive meaning to the sentence, just like a few. So जैसे a few का use है, same use जो है वो a little का है. Again difference क्या है, a few it is used for countable nouns and a little it is used for uncountable noun. But both a few and a little, they are positive words, and yes, they give positive meaning to the sentence. So now we are having examples that are related with a little. First example, the road is not completely blocked. There is a little room for passing. So again in the first sentence we are saying that the road is not completely blocked, right? अगर completely block होती तो जाने का रास्ता और we can say pass होने का रास्ता कैसा होता, little, ना के बराबर. But here we are saying that the road is not completely blocked, and this is the reason that there is a little room, or we can say a little space is there to pass. Okay. Second, the pot is not empty. There is a little milk in it. Again, just suppose that we are having the pot is empty. So अगर pot empty है, it means उसके अंदर suppose milk है, water है, anything. So वो कैसा होगा, वो little होगा. But now here we are saying that the pot is not empty. It means that still there is a little milk in it. Next example, I am tired. I need a little rest. So here again I am trying to say that I am tired, and because of this thing, yes, I need some rest. Okay, so just like a few, a little, it is also one of the positive word, and it shows a small quantity, but it shows positive number, it shows some kind of positivity, and it used to give the positive meaning to the sentence. Okay. Now moving ahead, we are having next that is the little. So the little, again it is used to show the total number, or we can say the totality, just like the few. Okay, let's take the examples. The little ambition he had was gone with his failing the test. So here we are saying, we are talking about one person, and we are saying that he actually failed in the test, and because of that the ambition he was having. So again we are trying to indicate the entire ambition, the total ambition that he was having. So that actually has gone. Okay. Second is, the little milk kept in this pot has turned sour. So again we are trying to show कि इस pot में जितना भी milk था, right? So we are talking about the total amount of the milk, the total quantity of the milk. So that milk has turned sour. So जितना भी milk था pot में, वो सारा का सारा milk जो है वो खराब हो गया है. So yes, the little, just like the few, it is used to show the totality, it is used to show the total total quantity. And yet again the difference is same. The few, it is used for countables, and the little, it is used for uncountable nouns. Clear? Let's take some more example to clear this thing in a very good manner. So first of all, let's see few, a few, the few. This is one category, or we can say this is one family, and this family is related with countable noun, right? Second, we are having little, then a little, and the next is the little. This is the second family, and it is used for uncountable noun. Alright, so this is the basic difference. This is few family, that is little family. Few family, it is related with countable noun, and little family, it is related with uncountable noun. Now let's talk about the similarity. So we can say that few and little, they both are negative word, and they shows a negative thing, or we can say they gives negative meaning to the sentence. Now a few, a little, they both are positive word. They shows positive number, or we can say they shows positive quantity, and yes, they give positive meaning to the sentence. Now the few and the little, they both shows totality. Yes, they both shows the total number, they both shows the total quantity. So whenever we are trying to show totality, we have to use the few and the little. Whenever we are trying to show positive number, then we have to use a few or a little. And whenever we are trying to give negative meaning, then we have to use few and little according to the noun, whether the noun is countable or uncountable. So according to that, we have to choose. Alright, so yes, these 6 determiner, they are very important, and they are used very frequently as a determiner, and they are having the specific uses. So again students, you have to learn all the uses that are related with these determiners. Right? So now I am very much sure that all the uses that are related with these determiners, that is clear to you all. So now moving on, here we are having some practice exercise that is based on these 6 determiners. So we are having some of the sentence, we have to read the sentence, and then according to the meaning we have to fill the blank using the appropriate determiner. Right? Let's start with the first sentence. People came to see the play. It was rather sad. So here we are saying that it was rather sad. So why we are sad? Because there was one play, और play को देखने के लिए जो audience थी, वो उसमें जो लोग आए थे, वो we can say कि बहुत कम आए थे. This is the reason that we are saying that it was rather sad. So now let's discuss about the noun. That is it noun a countable or uncountable? So we all know that people, it's a countable noun, and here we are talking about the negative number. So yes, we have to use few here. So the sentence will be few people came to see the play, and because of this reason it was rather sad. Second, come on, we have still got time left to finish this. So first of all, let's talk about the noun time. Time, it is countable or uncountable. So just always be very careful students that time, it is uncountable noun. Yes, minutes, seconds, hours, they are countable, but if we are having time, so time, it is uncountable noun. It means we have to use the little family. So now we have to choose that little, a little or the little, what will be the appropriate option. So for that, read very carefully one more time. Here we are saying come on, we have still got, right? So here we are having one kind of positive sense in the meaning, and we are saying that still we are having some time to finish this. So because we are trying to show positive meaning, so for that we have to use a little. And the sentence will be, come on, we have still got a little time left to finish this. Moving on, next, I normally have salad with my lunch. It's good for you. So again, first of all, let's say the noun salad. Salad, it's an uncountable noun. So again, we have to use little family. So we are saying that I normally have salad. And why? Because salad, it's good for health. It's good for you. So it means we are trying to show positive meaning. And for that, again, we have to use a little. And the sentence will be that I normally have a little salad with my lunch. Why? Because it's good for you. Next, the class is not empty. There are students sitting there. So first of all, let's see students, that is noun. So we all know students, it's a countable noun. So for countable noun, now we have to go to few family, and after reading the sentence, it is clear that again we are trying to show some positive number of the student, and for that here again we have to use a few, that is a positive word. So now the sentence will be, the class is not empty. Why the class is not empty? Because still in the class there are some students, so we are trying to show positive number. So for that we are using a few. So here we are having, there are a few students sitting there, and this is the reason the class is not empty. Clear? Next sentence, he is not a good teacher. He is unimaginative and has very patience with children. First of all, let's see the noun patience. Patience, it is a countable or uncountable. So we all know patience, it's a uncountable noun. Yes, हम patience को count नहीं कर सकते हैं, हम measure कर सकते हैं, हम कम ज़्यादा बता सकते हैं, but we cannot count this term, that is patience. So yes, patience, it's a uncountable noun. So we have to apply little family here. So now in this sentence we are talking about one person who is a teacher, and we are saying that he is not a good teacher. Why? Because he is unimaginative and he has very patience with children. It means he is having no patience with children. So again we are trying to show negative meaning. So when we are trying to show negative meaning, for that we have to use little. So now little, it will be the appropriate option here, and the sentence will be, he is not a good teacher, he is unimaginative and has a very little patience with children. Next sentence, the cat drank milk that was there in the pot. So here we are saying, just look at the sentence. Here we are saying that the cat drank milk that was there in the pot. It means pot में जितना भी दूध था. So we are trying to show the total quantity of the milk that was there in the pot, and we are saying that the cat drank the entire milk. So yes, we are trying to show the totality, and milk, we all know it's an uncountable noun. So we are trying to show totality, and that too for uncountable noun. So for that we have to use the little. The little, it will be the answer, and the sentence will be, the cat drank the little milk that was there in the pot. Next sentence, I have been to that Austrian restaurant times, it is good. So here we are talking about one restaurant, and we are giving our feedback, we are giving our opinion that it's good. So how can we say that that restaurant is good? Because yes, we have been there for some times, right? So yes, we are trying to show positive number here. So for that, here we have to use a few. Students, don't get confused. Here we are not having time. So don't get confused कि अभी तो आपने कहा था that time it's an uncountable noun. Here we are not having time. Just look at the spelling very carefully. Here we are having times. It means we are trying to show the frequency. So can you count the times? It means हमने कोई चीज़ कितनी बार करी है. Can we count? Yes, we can count. We can say that I have been to that temple 5 times. I can say that I have been to aeroplane 3 times. I can say that I have been to US 2 times, right? So we can count the times. It is not time, it is times. So this is the reason now we are having countable noun, and we are trying to give one positive meaning. So for that, here our option will be a few. Clear? Next, people ever learn how to dance properly? It's such a shame. So just look at the second part in which we are trying to show that this something is a very shameful thing. Why? Because people ever learn how to dance properly. It means बहुत ही कम लोग जो है वो सीख पाते हैं how to dance properly, and this is the reason this is such a shame. So yes, we are trying to show negative sense, and people will know it's a countable noun. So here our answer will be few. It means few people ever learn how to dance properly, and yes, it's such a shame. Next sentence, very people went to see that film. I don't know why. It's excellent. So here we are talking about one film, and we are saying that film is so excellent, that film is very good, and I don't know why उस मूवी को देखने के लिए इतने कम लोग गए थे. So obviously when we are saying that that's an excellent movie and I don't know why, so why we are wondering? Because we are saying that movie is very much that's a very good movie, it is a excellent movie, and still very people, we know it's a countable noun, so very few people. Clear? Next, I have time for people who talk about themselves all the time and never listen to anyone else. So first of all, look at the noun, that is time. Time, it's an uncountable noun, so we have to go to little family. Now we are saying that I have time for people who talk about themselves all the time and never listen to anyone else. So ऐसे लोगों के लिए I have no time. So yes, we are trying to show negative meaning. So for that, here we have to use little. So the complete sentence will be, I have little time for people who talk about themselves all the time and never listen to anyone else. Okay? So students, we have discussed some of the determiners in this video. We have seen their examples, and yes, we have done one practice exercise also. So now I am sure that these 6 determiners, they are very much clear. All the uses and the sentence structure and the different meaning that they give to the sentence, that is also clear to you all. Right? And in the next video, we will do some practice exercise based on all the determiners that we have discussed so far. So just be with me. See you in the next video. Thank you.